Is Triaba a great way to make some extra cash online, or is it a waste of time? Hi, this is V from Make Money Online, and today I'll give you a full guided tour of this platform so that you can decide whether it is worth your time or not. If this is the first time you have come to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update about tips and tricks on how to make money online. Let's jump into the video. Okay, let's begin with, I will show you first the payment proof of Triaba survey panel. So let me show you. As you can see in my inbox that I have received 7.84 pounds from Triaba survey panel into my PayPal account. So yes, it is a legit way, and this site really does pay. As you can see in my inbox that I have received 7.84 pound in my account, PayPal account. Okay, so let's talk about the earning opportunities which we have on this platform. So this platform is basically a survey platform only. So here you do receive certain amount of surveys, and then you have to complete those surveys. For that you will be rewarded a certain amount. That amount which they are going to pay you for each survey, they will specify the amount before taking the survey only. And longer the survey, like if the duration of the survey is higher will be the reward. If the duration is small, then there will be a small reward for it. So if you see here, first thing is you have to come here to the profile section and you have to fill your profile honestly. It will take around 20-25 minutes to fill this profile, but this is just one time process. You have to complete this. After that you will start receiving surveys on your mail. So I just wanted to show you like how many surveys I'm receiving from them. As you can see, so survey from Triaba panel, something like this. So let me show you by clicking on one of them how it is. So as you can see that this survey takes approximately 15 minutes and it will reward me 0.56 GBP. So it entirely depends on how much duration it is, and as is the reward. So let me show you how many surveys I have taken from here. So as you can see that it entirely depends on the duration also. Like for example 0.56 is there, 0.64 you can see, and if I show you, I have completed so many surveys like 1.04 GBP. So it will take some more time. One more thing I just wanted to show you is I'll show you what happens is, like for example if you have completed a survey and if you have just rushed through the survey, like for example they are mentioning like 15 minutes for that survey, and you just fasten up the process and completed that survey in 5 minutes, so that is of no use to that business. So they will deduct that amount from your account. As you can see, I have one deduction from my account as well. So it was my early days when I wasn't aware, so I tried to rush through the survey, so they deducted that amount, even though it was credited once and then they deducted it because it was not an honest thing. So since then, if you can see that I've completed so many surveys on this platform, but I haven't got any deduction. So you have to be careful that don't use any VPN or anything. Don't try to cheat them, and be honest while filling the profile as well as the surveys. And I just want to tell you that not all surveys you're going to qualify for, as always is the condition with all survey sites. But yes, this Triaba survey panel has decent amount of surveys, and after if you're filling the profile honestly, I certainly think that you will qualify for most of the surveys. So if you see here, my current balance is 5.04 GBP. So the payout methods is G codes. G codes means you need to reach 10 pounds for it, and for PayPal it's 8 pounds. So that is how it goes. And as you can see the payout activity, so one time it failed because there was some issue going on with the survey panel. Otherwise I've received payments. As you can see, I have been paid many times with this survey panel. So yes, Triaba is a legit way. And now let's talk about even who can join this platform. So if you can see here, if you click here and you can see, so it is available in all these countries. And if you want, like let's suppose if you are from let's suppose Australia and you want to join it from there, then you have to click here on the Australian one, and here it comes here. Now it has come here. So now here you can create your profile. You can click on join, and you can sign up the Traiba survey panel. Make sure that you have the JavaScript enabled. So here is the sign up process. You can just enter your details and you will be ready to go. And after that, as I've showed you, that you need to create your honest profile, and then you will start receiving surveys from Traiba survey panel. Okay, now the question is, how much can you earn with this platform? So I will say that it is just like, it is an additional site. You cannot make a full-time income with it, and it entirely depends on like how many surveys they are offering and how many you are able to complete. And one more thing, that while taking the surveys, you have to make sure that whenever you are receiving a mail, you quickly take those surveys. Otherwise the surveys are closed and there are more disqualifications. And the other point is, sometimes what happens is that many of you complete a survey but it doesn't get credited. So for that, you need to keep that in mind. Whatever offer you are completing, no matter on Traiba only, but wherever your offer you are completing, make sure your cookies are enabled in Chrome, and you are not completing that offer in incognito mode or anywhere else, like which cannot be tracked. So it's better to have that thing in mind. As I've shown you the payment proof as well, and who can join, you can see the country list from here. So I think almost all the countries this Traiba survey panel is available, and it has a very good survey panel for each country. So they have a good amount of surveys for each country, and that is the only earning opportunity here. No referral or nothing you will get, like no referral links you can do or anything apart from taking surveys. So that is pretty much it. Traiba survey panel is a legit way to make some extra cash online, and it is definitely a decent site to add apart from the others you have joined, but it will not make you a full-time income. Thanks for watching this video.